बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। इस वीडियो में जो जॉब्स मैं शेयर करूँगी वो वाली जॉब्स आई थी डॉन संडे जून 2024 के अखबार में। जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी Z.M.K and Co invites applications for the position of audio visual officer in Sindh ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है कराची to support UNICEF in the National Emergency Action Plan for Polio Eradication. This position is purely on a contract basis with a fixed salary package. Serial number 1. Name of position audio visual officer. Prescribed qualification bachelor's degree in a relevant field such as mass communication, media studies, film and television production, multimedia arts or broadcasting experience, at least 5 years of experience in videography/photography, video/photo editing, experience in video/photo editing using FCP is necessary. Consultants shall use their own HD quality video/still photo camera not below the specification of Sony HD NX5 or equivalent. Demonstrated experience in the conception, production and editing of mini video documentations and PSAs. Experience covering social, humanitarian and development subjects within Pakistan will be an asset. Terms and conditions for application and further details visit at https://hiring.rosie.job/preview/1498424. Last date for submission of application is June 9, 2024. ZMK reserves the right to reject any or all applications without assigning any reasons. पाकिस्तान इंजीनियरिंग काउंसिल की जॉब है सिचुएशंस वैकेंट. एप्लीकेशंस आर इनवाइटेड फ्रॉम द interested candidates having prescribed educational qualification, experience and age limit criteria as mentioned below for the following position at Head Office Pakistan Engineering Council PEC. Name of post Senior Director MIS PEC Sale 20 Regular. Number of post 01 Islamabad. Age limit maximum up to 55 years. Qualification BE/BSc ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है कंप्यूटर इंजीनियरिंग/कंप्यूटर सिस्टम इंजीनियरिंग/सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग. मिनिमम 16 years of education. Registered with PEC or MCS/MSc Computer Science/BCS/BSIT or equivalent. ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है मिनिमम 16 years of education ब्रैकेट क्लोज. Duly recognized by NCEAC/HEC candidate with postgraduate master's degree 18 years duly recognized by HEC in computer science/computer engineering/computer system engineering/software engineering/IT/IS MBA IT/IS or in any IT related field which will be preferred. एक्सपीरियंस की जॉब है मिनिमम ऑफ 17 years. पोस्ट क्वालिफिकेशन ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है आफ्टर completion of 16 years of education bracket close. Professional experience in BPS 17 or equivalent, out of which 5 years should be in an independent managerial position in the field of computer system/IT/MIS and must have proven experience. ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है duly supported by experience letters in following areas: digital transformation, project management, data migrations. Develop and execute the IT and automation strategy in light with digital transformation. Database/Oracle/SQL Server/open source DBs. Implementation of IT policy, data integration with organization, software services, architecture and development, e-governance/office automation systems, related skills/certifications. The candidate who has training certification or short courses on time management, leadership, change management, stress management, coaching or any IT related field etc. will be preferred. responsibilities, develop and execute the IT and automation strategy in line with digital transformation and PEC overall goals and objectives. Establish and maintain a strong IT development team to focus on current PEC challenges and deliver technology solutions. Lead and manage a team of professionals, fostering collaboration and ensuring the achievement of departmental targets. Drive digital transformation and innovation by identifying and implementing emerging technologies to enhance operational efficiencies and productivity. Oversee the planning, development and maintenance of the company's IT infrastructure, systems and applications. Ensure compliance with relevant regulatory requirements, data protection standards and cyber security best practices. Monitor industry trends and advancements, providing insights and recommendations to executives team for future improvement. Applications are to be submitted online through PEC job portal on jobs.pec.org.pk. All requisite documents should be uploaded correctly. In case of missing, irrelevant, incorrect uploading of documents, the application will not be accepted. At the time of interview, the candidates will have to bring original educational certificates, degrees, experience letters, CNIC domicile and NOC if applicable for verification. Persons serving in government public autonomous organizations must obtain NOC from respective department. Applications without NOC shall not be entertained. Only shortlisted candidates will be called for interview. No TA/TA will be admissible for appearing in interview. The competent authority reserves the right to post the selected candidate anywhere in Pakistan if required, and to increase or decrease the number of posts, reject any or all the applications or cancel the recruitment process at any stage without assigning any reason. Age limit shall be calculated as per closing date of applications as given in advertisement. For all engineering applicants, registration with PEC is mandatory. Last date for submission of applications is June 9, 2024, 1700 hours. Date, time and venue for the interviews will be communicated to shortlisted candidates later. For further details, please visit PEC website www.pec.org.pk. Director Human Resource, Pakistan Engineering Council, Ataturk Avenue East, G for ground -5/2 Islamabad. Telephone number 05192195000, 05192195000, 9219036338, 9213036238। तो जी ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो।
अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।